हेलो गाइस, इट्स 3 in the morning. घंटा हम नहीं पहुंचेंगे टाइम पे अगर अभी नहीं निकला तो. So yeah, see you guys soon. We are stuck. Hello and welcome back to Curious Atara, guys. So, some of you might have seen the first part of my Himachal trip, but today we're gonna talk about what happened in the rest of my trip. But as you all might be able to see that I'm back home, safe. Let's see what happened. So, after our food, we left the restaurant and we explored a lot of places in between. We saw a place full of jewelry and got a small little earring for me. We walked towards Wabi Sabi. It's just mesmerizing to see such huge trees. And ended the day with a happy note. So yeah, after the first day, we just thought of sleeping in and resting because we were too tired traveling, and Aishu, my friend, had already got periods and all of that. So we slept off very peacefully and we woke up seeing the mountains with a little bit of snow even when it was raining. But to our surprise, we got a call from work saying that we've got an important meeting in 2 days. And guys, हम हिमाचल में हैं. अगर हमें हिमाचल से दिल्ली जाना है, हमें 12 घंटे एनीवे हमें ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा. और दिल्ली से अगर हमें मतलब हमारा जहाँ पे मीटिंग है वहाँ तक पहुँचना है, तो any which ways it takes like a 1.5 day. We were absolutely sad in the morning, but then we thought ठीक है. तभी तक हमारे पास लाइक कंफर्मेशन नहीं थी कि हमारी मीटिंग होने वाली है कि नहीं होने वाली है. वी kept our fingers crossed. Hi guys, we guys are twinning today. मेकअप ज़्यादा हो गया क्या? मैंने सिर्फ सनस्क्रीन और ब्लश और लिपस्टिक लगाया है और थोड़ा आईलाइनर. Yeah, it is drizzling. It's absolutely drizzling. I don't know whether you all can see the clouds. But yeah. Here we are today at the very famous Hobbies Cafe, or maybe, I don't know, much people don't know about it, or maybe. And the view here is amazing. We're very buzzed out. Maybe today is the last day in Himachal.
Yeah,
Most probably. And tomorrow we will leave. We're sad. We wanted to go to Delhi and all of that. We're not able to do any of those. So after Rockies, we were just walking back when we had a slight drizzle and all of that. We were enjoying Himachal how much ever we could, because maybe that was the last day. So this little cute kid actually posed for me, and this one right here is his sister. I don't know what she was trying to say, but she's cute. And wahi hua guys, the moment we reached back Wabi Sabi is when we got a call saying कि हमारी meeting confirm हो चुकी है guys, and we have to reach our destination in 2 days. Initially हमें यहाँ से निकलने के लिए the only thing that we have is either bus or cab. Cab is very expensive. So we checked the app and we finally got a bus at 10 and we left at around 9. We reached the Manali bus stand at 10. The moment we got out of the cab is when we got to know कि हमारा बस कैंसिल हो चुका है. मुझे the moment we step outside the cab is when we get a notification on my phone saying कि guys हमारा last and final bus जो था is cancelled. And we were absolutely clueless and we tried to ask a lot of people कि कंडक्टर्स खड़े ड्राइवर्स खड़े, तो उनको पूछा, उन्होंने बोला आज रात को तो नहीं है. अब फिर वहाँ पे there was one bus जहाँ पे काफ़ी भीड़ थी. But then I thought of just going and asking them पूछा कि ये बस दिल्ली जा रही है क्या, तो they said yes. So and I was like 2 टिकट है क्या बची है क्या, तो he was like 2 ही टिकट बची है ले लो. उन्होंने हमें फिजिकली टिकट नहीं दी, but they gave us 2 seats and that's what we wanted. We just wanted to reach Delhi. We had a train at 1 in the afternoon. The next day. Hello guys. It's 3 in the morning and we left at around 10:30, 11. So we booked a bus and it got cancelled the moment we reached and now in between we're not even like, we're just like not even 100 kilometers in.
We just crossed.
So we're yet to go more 600 kilometers.
Still in Manali में.
Yeah, and we're stuck as hell. So problem ये है कि ये बस का, this bus doesn't have a license. This bus doesn't have a proper, it has a fake number. It has no certificates whatsoever. It has no papers, nothing. These people जो अभी पुलिस ने पकड़ा, पुलिस के पास देने के पैसे भी नहीं है.
कुछ भी नहीं है. So every passengers have to pay 100 rupees
each so that we can get out of the situation and out of this place.
But that's
we have
not
no
the
clue.
proper solution because क्या बोल रहा है कि this bus is not existing in this world.
And we are in whatever it is, but it's very interesting. And हमें कल we have got
Tickets.
we have got to reach by 1:30 क्योंकि हमारा ट्रेन है 1:30. घंटा हम नहीं पहुँचेंगे टाइम पे अगर अभी नहीं निकला तो. So yeah, see you guys soon. We are stuck.
And still in peace of like chill कर.
पर बहुत चिल मोड में हम लोग, पता है हमको कोई टेंशन नहीं हो रही.
हाँ वही मैं सोच रही हूँ, कुछ टेंशन नहीं हो रही, ऐसे ही चिल कर रही हूँ.
देखते हैं.
आराम से.
Bye. We will be updating soon. Do you know guys?
Such an adventure.
So we are traveling. So finally, after all of the all of the things that we all of the things that we said. So finally, after giving a lot of money and everything, we got out. And now this guy is gonna keep us. I don't know at what speed are we going, but it is so cool to sit here. It's amazing. Look at.
It's like an amusement park. So I actually.
It's been long that we've been to an amusement park.
Yeah.
So finally, we're doing the ride as well. As I again wake up at 7 in the morning when I see the phone and I see the bus stagnant again. When I check around and see what the issue is, गाड़ी का मतलब basically the axle broke and इनके पास extra tire भी नहीं है, basically stepney भी नहीं है इनके पास. और वो लोग वहाँ पे बीच हाईवे के बीच पे it's sunny as hell and हाईवे पे हैं, हम सब अटके हैं. एंड द वर्स्ट पार्ट इज 7 बज रहे हैं, हमें और 400 या 300 किलोमीटर बचे हैं टू रीच दिल्ली. एंड वी सॉ द मैप एंड वी आर नेवर गोना, इफ वी लीव राइट नाउ इज व्हेन वी विल रीच एटलीस्ट अराउंड 12:30. हमने खाना नहीं खाया है, हमने कुछ नहीं करा है, नथिंग इज़ देयर, वी हैव नॉट ड्रंक इनफ वाटर ऑल्सो बिकॉज बीच में ये कहीं रुकी नहीं थी. एंड फाइनली वी डिसाइड to get out of the bus and ask for the lift. हमें लगा दो ब्यूटीफुल लड़कियां खड़ी हैं. As we have seen in a lot of movies कि दो लड़कियां खड़ी है ऐसे एक या दो बार हमने लिफ्ट मांगी और सब रुक जाता है. Guys, that's not the real case. That's never the real case. We might have tried for almost 20 minutes or more than half an hour, I think. We asked each and every gaadi wala. Okay, we asked, there were just two girls with the bags walking on the freaking highway. But eventually हमने ट्रक वाले को भी पूछा. Guys, हमने ट्रक वाले को भी पूछा because that's again a bucket list kind of thing. But they did not even stop. All हमने hopes छोड़ दिए थे कि हम पहुंचने वाले हैं, नहीं पहुंचने वाले हैं. Excited? Are you? Absolutely. We're still yet to reach Delhi and
Can you explain what this?
that's a big thing. I can't explain right now, but should I? We finally got a person. हमने lift मांगी and हमें बचाने कोई तो आ गया kinds. And yeah, so all of that happened. Is it okay if we come in the video?
Hi everyone. Hi.
So we met him today. He's our savior. So after all that we told you about our bus getting between. So today morning, and again today morning the axle broke and we were on the middle of a highway and this man, the savior, came. Came to save us and it's so amazing. You see it. So yeah, we'll just get back. Let us enjoy the ride. Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Basically, Pushpak Verma, thank you so much. Thank you so much for taking us out of that hell and dropping us to the airport basically because sadly we couldn't take the train. हम काफ़ी ज़्यादा लेट हो चुके थे. हमने ऑलरेडी 1 घंटा वहाँ पे हाईवे पे वेस्ट किया. But what actually happened was there was a lot of traffic and we couldn't reach on time. So we wasted that money as well and then we had to finally get in the flight and come back.
Where are we going?
So that was one of my craziest stories that I recently had. And again, I'm telling you guys, sometimes the unplanned trips are amazing. I've had unplanned trips, not that I've never had it, but it could have gone really wrong. But luckily, there were a lot of people that came across, and somehow we're back home with all their help. Thank you so much, Pushpak, again. And हमारा मीटिंग भी हो चुका है and काफ़ी अच्छा गया मीटिंग है. And so yeah, so that's about it. See you guys next time with more updates on what's happening in my life. See you.